This bracelet is really cute, and I really like the heart charm especially, and the way it opens and closes to where you can get around your hand is pretty neat. The only thing is that it's too big for me. It's just a little bit too dangly and loose. I love the smell of this soap because it's such a warm, delicious scent and very welcoming, and I just really like it. I'm enjoying this hydrosol so much. I wear the hydrosol on my face to set my makeup or in my hair just to fluff it out a little bit or tame flyaway hairs. If I've just been out in the sun and I just want a little bit of a refresher, then I'll spray that on. It's really lovely and the smell is amazing. I'm going to be keeping my little mouse. I think it's a mouse. It looks like a mouse to me, but I'm going to be keeping it in my bathroom because it's just so adorable. Here's what the eyeshadow looks like on. It goes on very smoothly. I love this color. It's Canterbury. It's beautiful. It's so soft and lovely. Here I'm putting on Zen. I really like this lip pencil, and it's just a very nice, beautiful, soft rose color, and I really love it for a nice natural look. But when I want my lips to be a touch darker than like a lighter nude. Here I'm putting San Francisco over Zen, and I love the shimmer that it gives this color. It is a little bit, still has a nice darker color from the Zen. So it darkens up the San Francisco this way, but also gives Zen a nice, beautiful shine. Okay, now I am going and getting a makeup wipe, actually a baby wipe, because my makeup wipes are upstairs, and I mean, I gotta do this video, so so I'm taking off San Francisco and Zen. Right now I need to put on a little bit of powder back around my face. Now I'm just putting San Francisco on my lips so you can see how that color is different from having Zen underneath it. It is much lighter, and I really like this. It's just such a beautiful color when I want my lips to still be nice and pale without being like a nude. I've been enjoying it for a week now, and it's one of my new favorite lipsticks. Although I am still using Bermuda almost every day because it matches my glasses pretty well. Bermuda is another lipstick color from Honeybee Gardens that I am just loving. They also have a nail polish that's in the same color. All my makeup I'm wearing Canterbury for my eyeshadow, Honeybee Gardens mascara in Espresso, Honeybee Gardens pressed powder foundation in Supernatural, 100% Pure's blush in the color Healthy. Okay, so Gunther has been wanting to play this whole entire time, so I guess I figured he'll come up and he'll say bye with me. So I hope you guys have a really great week. Bye!